Welcome to Root Word class. Today's word is neo. It means new. The first word is innovate. It means to introduce something new or make changes to something established. For example, the company continued to innovate by developing cutting-edge technology. The second word is renovate. It means to restore something old to a new or better condition. For example, they decided to renovate the old house to make it more modern and comfortable.
The third word is novice. It means a person who is new to or inexperienced in a field or situation. For example, as a novice gardener, she asked for advice on how to care for her plants. The next word is novel. It means new and original, not like anything seen before, and it refers to a long fictional prose narrative. For example, she published her first novel last year. The next word is neophyte. It means a beginner or newcomer to a subject, skill or belief. For example, the neophyte chess player quickly learned the rules and strategies of the game. The next word is neonatal. Here neo means new and natal means birth, relating to newborn children, especially the first few weeks after birth. The next word is neologism. It means a newly coined word or expression that has entered the language through cultural, technological, or social change. For example, selfie is a neologism that became widely used in the 21st century born from social media culture. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.